They say that in space, no one can hear you scream. The vacuum is silent, empty, and profound. But what if that's not entirely true? What if the largest, most mysterious objects in the universe have a voice? Tonight, we are going to listen to a forbidden recording, a sound that shouldn't exist, captured from the heart of a supermassive black hole. Prepare to close your eyes, relax your body, and journey with me into the deepest abyss to hear the song of a cosmic titan. This is a sound that has echoed through the cosmos for billions of years. And tonight, it will be your lullaby. Before we begin our journey, let us understand what we are about to hear. A black hole is a region of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. For decades, we believe them to be perfectly silent. But astronomers discovered something incredible in the Perseus galaxy cluster, a collection of galaxies bathed in a cloud of superheated gas. The supermassive black hole at its center sends out ripples, pressure waves that travel through this gas. These are, in essence, sound waves. They are pitched 57 octaves below middle C, far too low for any human to hear. So, scientists used a process called sonification. They took the data from these cosmic ripples and transposed it up, making the inaudible audible. What we will hear is not a fabrication, but a translation of a real cosmic phenomenon. It is the true voice of the void. Let your journey begin now. Feel the weight of your body sinking comfortably into your bed. Your physical form is safe and at rest, but your mind is free to travel. Imagine yourself lifting gently, floating up and away from your room, through the ceiling, and into the cool night air. The sounds of the world below begin to fade into a gentle, distant hum. You are rising above it all. You ascend past the highest clouds into the thin, clean atmosphere where the stars no longer twinkle. They are perfect, steady points of light against a canvas of pure black. Below you, the earth is a breathtaking marble of swirling white clouds, deep blue oceans, and the glowing, jeweled lights of cities at night. Take a deep, slow breath of this cosmic stillness. Our moon, a silent guardian, drifts into view. Its surface is a landscape of ancient craters and smooth, dark plains of solidified lava. It has watched over our world for eons, a testament to the quiet, patient passage of time. We drift past it, feeling its gentle gravitational pull as a soft, reassuring whisper before we continue onward into the deeper dark. The sun is now a brilliant, distant star behind us, casting long, peaceful shadows. We pass the orbit of Mars, the red planet, glowing like a warm ember in the distance. Its rusty plains and towering extinct volcanoes sleep under a thin, cold atmosphere. It is a world of silent stories and forgotten rivers, waiting patiently in the cold. Next, we glide through the great asteroid belt. This is not the chaotic, dense field you see in movies. Instead, it is a vast, empty space, dotted with ancient rocks of all shapes and sizes. They tumble slowly, silently, through space, each one a tiny world, a fragment left over from the birth of our solar system. They are like sleeping giants in a quiet field. The true giants of our solar system now loom ahead. Jupiter, a colossal ball of swirling gas and storms, dominates our view. Its great red spot is a hurricane larger than our entire planet. Yet from here it moves with a slow, hypnotic grace. Its many moons orbit like tiny pearls, a miniature solar system in its own right, all moving in a silent, cosmic ballet. We continue outward toward the jewel of our solar system, Saturn. Its magnificent rings come into view, a breathtaking disk of ice and rock particles shimmering in the distant sunlight. They are impossibly thin and wide, a structure of sublime and delicate beauty. Imagine drifting through the gaps in these rings, surrounded by a silent blizzard of orbiting ice crystals. Past the pale, serene globes of Uranus and Neptune, we are now approaching the edge of our own stellar neighborhood. The sun is just one of many bright stars in the sky. The familiar constellations have shifted, warped into new and unfamiliar patterns. We are becoming true interstellar travelers now, and a deeper sense of peace and distance settles over you. We have left our sun's familiar light far behind. This is the realm of deep space. The silence here is profound, a perfect absence of sound that allows your mind to completely unwind. There is only the slow, steady rhythm of your own breathing and the vast, quiet emptiness stretching out in all directions. You are perfectly safe. You are perfectly calm. The distances here are measured in light years. The light from the nearest stars took years, even decades, to reach us. We are looking at the past. Each point of light is a message from a bygone era, a ghost of light traveling through the ages. This perspective allows all of your worries to feel small, distant, and insignificant. They are far away, back on that tiny blue dot. Our journey now takes us into the heart of our own galaxy, the Milky Way. We are no longer looking at it as a band of light in the sky. We are inside it. We drift through immense clouds of gas and dust called nebulae. These are stellar nurseries where new stars are being born. They glow with breathtaking colors of pink, blue, and purple, like cosmic watercolors painted on velvet. Imagine floating through the Orion Nebula. Pillars of dust tower miles high around you. Deep within, infant stars are igniting, their first light pushing back the darkness. It is a place of gentle creation, of slow cosmic processes unfolding over millions of years. The energy here is calm, creative, and deeply peaceful. You feel a sense of renewal. We pass by star clusters, dense gatherings of thousands, even millions of stars. They look like glittering handfuls of diamonds scattered across the blackness. Some are young and hot, shining with a brilliant blue-white light. Others are ancient, globular clusters of old, red stars that have been orbiting our galaxy's core for billions of years. They are like wise elders of the cosmos. The scale is almost impossible to comprehend. And in that impossibility, there is freedom. You don't need to understand it all. You only need to float, to observe, to be present in this moment of infinite wonder. Your mind is expanding to embrace the sheer size and beauty of it all. You feel connected to this vast, cosmic web of existence. Now we must leave our home galaxy behind. We rise above the galactic plane, and the Milky Way unfolds below us, a spectacular spiral of 100 billion stars. our home, now just one island of light in an even greater ocean of darkness. We are entering intergalactic space, the vast emptiness between the galaxies. The journey is long. We travel for what would be millions of years. But in this state of mind, time is fluid. You are simply moving, propelled by intention, toward our destination. Other galaxies drift by like glowing ships in the night. Some are spirals like our own. Others are elliptical smudges of ancient starlight. Each one contains billions of worlds. The universe is not random. The galaxies are arranged in long, delicate filaments and massive clusters, separated by enormous voids of near-perfect emptiness. This is the cosmic web, the largest known structure in the universe. We are traveling along one of these filaments, a superhighway of galaxies, leading us to our destination. Our target is now in sight. It does not look like a single galaxy, but a dense knot in the cosmic web. This is the Perseus cluster, a congregation of thousands of galaxies, all bound together by immense gravity. It is one of the most massive objects in the known universe, and it is here that we will find what we are looking for. As we draw closer, we begin to perceive something that our eyes cannot see. We begin to feel the presence of the intracluster medium, the unimaginably hot gas that fills the space between these galaxies. It is a tenuous plasma, heated to millions of degrees, yet it is the key to hearing the sound we came for. At the very heart of the Perseus cluster lies a giant elliptical galaxy, and at the heart of that galaxy is our destination, a supermassive black hole, billions of times more massive than our sun. It is a point of absolute darkness, a well of gravity from which nothing can escape. But it is not dormant. It is alive with energy. This black hole is actively feeding, drawing in vast streams of gas. As it does, it erupts with powerful jets of energy, pushing away the surrounding hot gas. This constant pushing creates ripples, vast waves of pressure that propagate outwards through the plasma of the cluster. These are the sound waves. This is the source of the cosmic hum. We are now close enough to perceive these waves. Imagine them not as sound, but as a slow, rhythmic pulse. A wave of compression, then a wave of rarefaction, washing over us. It is a heartbeat, impossibly slow, with a single cycle taking over 10 million years to complete, a beat that began long before humanity ever existed. Now we will perform the translation. Let the science do its work. We will take this impossibly low frequency, this deep cosmic vibration, and we will raise it octave by octave until it enters the range of human hearing. The silence of your journey is about to be broken by a sound older than the mountains. Listen. At first, it is just a faint, low drone, a hum that you feel more than you hear. It is the sound of a vast, ancient power. It is not harsh or loud. It is a deep, resonant B flat, a single, sustained note that has been playing for eons. Let this sound fill your awareness. This is the sound of gravity itself, made audible. It is the sound of matter being converted into energy on a galactic scale. It is a deep, calming vibration. Allow this cosmic note to resonate within you, loosening any remaining tension in your body. Let it be an anchor, holding you in a state of deep relaxation. The sound is not static. There are subtle variations, modulations in its tone, as the black hole's activity ebbs and flows. It is a living sound, a breathing cosmic entity. It is the truest, most fundamental bass note in the universe's orchestra. It is a sound of profound stability and permanence. As you listen, feel yourself becoming part of this cosmic vibration. Your own energy field begins to harmonize with this ancient song. The separation between you and the universe dissolves. You are not just an observer. You are part of this grand cosmic performance. You are stardust, vibrating with the song of a black hole. There is no need for thought now. There is only the sound. A deep, steady drone that washes over you, carrying you deeper and deeper into a state of sleep. It is a sound of immense power, yet it is profoundly peaceful. It is the ultimate white noise, born not from a machine, but from the heart of a galaxy. Let this primordial hum be the last thing you are aware of as you drift off. It will keep you grounded and secure throughout your sleep. It is a reminder of the vast, beautiful, and mysterious universe you are a part of. A universe that is not silent, but filled with a deep, hidden music. You have traveled far, and now it is time to rest. Let the forbidden song of the Perseus cluster be your guide into the deepest, most restorative sleep you have had in a long time. There is nothing left to do but to let go and allow the cosmic lullaby to carry you into your dreams. Sleep now. Sleep deeply. The journey is complete. The sound of the cosmos fades into a peaceful silence in your mind, but its vibration remains, a deep sense of calm and connection to the universe. We have traveled across unimaginable distances to hear the inaudible, to listen to the voice of an object that consumes light itself. We learned that space is not truly silent. It is filled with vibrations, energies, and a hidden music that we are only just beginning to learn how to hear. The song of the black hole is a powerful reminder that even in the darkest, most mysterious corners of existence, there is a form of order, a rhythm, and a strange, profound beauty. Thank you for traveling with me tonight. If this cosmic journey has brought you peace, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more explorations into the mysteries of the universe. Your support allows us to continue these voyages. As you drift into a deep and final sleep, I leave you with one question to ponder in your dreams. If a black hole has a song, what other cosmic symphonies are waiting for us to discover in the silence? Sweet dreams.